This is the step 5, which is the assembly part. So in this assembly part we will be needing uh, wood bar 1 and wood bar 2. So here we have this is wood bar 1 and this is wood bar 2. So we'll be keeping away the remaining wood bars. So the wood bar 1's hole 5. So this is wood bar 1's hole 5. We insert a bolt into hole 5 and hole 6 of the wood bar 1, and now we also insert a pair of nuts, so one nut to each bolt. So we need to tighten these bolts so as to fix this wood bar. So this is actually what I've designed. This is about locking the wood piece at a particular place. So in this I'm locking the wood piece at the end. So see, I'm tightening the wood piece so that this is tightened. Now I'm doing the same with the other bolt. So I'm tightening the nut, so I've tightened. Now what I do is I enter again I insert a pair of nuts to the same bolts, but this time I don't take them till the end. I stop them right here. So now what happens is the whole bolt of hole 5 of wood bar 1 passes through hole 2. So here we have hole numbers. This is hole 2 of wood bar 2, and similarly the bolt from hole 6 of wood bar 1 will be going into hole 1 of wood bar 2. So this is what happens when we do it that way. So we need to insert this wood bar. So sometimes the bolt might get stuck. So what we need to do is we need to just tighten it. So this is how we need to tighten. So it finally entered. Now what I do is I again insert a pair of nuts. So I've again inserted a pair of nuts. So I'm tightening it. So I've tightened, and this is what I've done after tightening. So this is frame 1. So like this we need to do the frame 2 using wood bar 3 and wood bar 4, and the same rule applies. A bolt from hole 5 of wood bar 3 should go to hole 2 of wood bar 3, and again bolt from hole 6 of wood bar 3 should go into hole 1 of wood bar 4. And then what happens is again a frame like this comes. So I'm again inserting the bolts into the said hole numbers, and I'm inserting two nuts. So I've inserted two nuts and I'm tightening them. So before tightening them, what I do is I enter another pair of nuts, and I scroll them a few threads to the below, And now what I do is I fix this one into whole fix this one into whole holes. So slightly different numbers perhaps, but we'll be able to fix this one. So what happens is sometimes the bolts will be like a bit bent, so at that time it becomes hard to push in. But now I think it's okay, we can actually tighten the screws, the bolts. So here what happens is the bolt comes out through the hole, so I'm tightening the another bolt, so two bolts came out. So again we need to enter a pair of nuts. So these second pair of nuts will be tightened, and the first pair of nuts will be scrolled down till the end. So I have scrolled down till the end. Now what I do is I just tighten them very hard so that the wood piece won't be able to scroll down. So I'm doing it using a cutting plier. So I think I've done this. This one just went a little cross, so what I do is I open this one and I can push it a bit up, and then I can tighten this screw. So I again tighten this. Now I made two frames, two frames. So this is frame 1 consisting of wood bar 1 and wood bar 2, and this is frame 2 consisting of wood bar 3 and wood bar 4. So now again we need to join these two wood bars, and what I do is first I would take a bolt and insert it into frame 1, wood bar 1 and hole number 3. So I've inserted a bolt into wood bar 1, and again a bolt into hole 4 of wood bar 1, and also a bolt into hole 5 of wood bar 2, and hole 4, my apologies, hole 4 of wood bar 2 and hole 3 of wood bar 2. So I've inserted all the 4 bolts, you can see them. And now what I do is, so the hole 3 of wood bar 1 would go into hole 3 of wood bar 3, and the same with hole 4 of wood bar 2 would go into the hole 4 of the wood bar 4. So before I tighten, I need to enter a pair of nuts. So I'm giving a pair of nuts here. So these nuts are to be scrolled to the bottom of the bolt. So here we go. I'm just scrolling the nut till the bottom of the bolt, and I'm doing the same for another bolt. And remember, also insert uh, the nut. Also insert the nut to the remaining two bolts. So I've inserted, and I'm just scrolling them down till the end, and also the fourth and the final bolt. I've entered the nut and I just tighten the bolt. So with the screwdriver I just tighten all the four bolts. So now what important piece of work we need to do is the wood bar 5 should be inserted. The hole 4, this is hole 4. I can show you this. We have already numbered. This is hole 1, hole 2, this is hole 3, this one is hole 4, and this one is hole 5. So the hole 4 of wood bar 5 should go into hole 4 of wood bar 1, and also the hole 5 of wood bar 5 should go into should actually go into hole 3 of wood bar 2. So we just need to enter this one. So what I have done is I have entered a bolt from hole 4 of wood bar 1, which passes through the hole 4 of wood bar 5, and now I'm just fixing it, trying to fix it to inside, so it goes step by step. So you can actually find your own way in entering this wood bar 5. What I've done is I just fixed this wood piece, but what I can actually do is I can loosen this nut. I can actually loosen up this one, and also the other nut. I can actually loosen it up. And now what I do is I just use the screwdriver and I just make it come down a bit. So be careful here, the bolt might bend and it won't fit into the holes properly. So now this one should be placed exactly at the center of the bolt. So I'm again fixing this nuts. So finally we have fixed the hole 5. So we are now coming to hole frame 2. So what happens now is the hole 4 of a bolt passes through hole 4 of wood bar 1 into hole 4 of wood bar 5, and this same bolt should enter the hole 4 of wood bar 3. So obviously the other 3 bolts would be entering into the remaining obvious holes. I can also explain which bolt goes into which hole of which wood bar. So now what happened is the bolt 3 of wood bar 1 enters into bolt 3 of wood bar 3, and the bolt from wood bar 4 the bolt from hole 4 of wood bar 1 enters into hole 4 of wood bar 5, and the same bolt goes into the hole 4 of wood bar 3, and the bolt from hole 3 of wood bar 2 goes into hole 5 of wood bar 5, and then it goes into hole 3 of wood bar 4. And now coming to this bolt, this final bolt, this bolt goes from hole this bolt goes from hole 2 of wood bar 2 into hole 2 of wood bar 4. So this is how the bolts are fixed. And now what we have to do is just tighten the screws up. So before we actually do this thing, we need to enter a pair of two pairs of nuts, which means a bolt, each bolt should be given a screw, given a nut. So we enter all the 4 nuts, inserting all the 4 nuts to each bolt. Now this one frame 2 should be fixed. So sometimes because of the bent bolts, sometimes the frame doesn't go in exactly, but you need to push it down until it gets into its position. Sometimes it appears it doesn't, but the bolt objects the frame to fall into its position. So again here the bolt obstructed, so I'm just scrolling the bolt down, nut down, and I'm just pushing it. So all the 4 are up to their position, and now I'm just giving the nuts to them so as to fix them. So we have now completed the step 5, which is assembly of the robotic hand up to from wrist to elbow. So I hope I was able to convey all the information correctly. So this completes our step 5, which is assembly.